Torej, zakaj je super biti družinski zdravnik? People trust us and we make this world a little better place every day.
Perché è fantastico essere un medico di famiglia. Being a family doctor is fantastic because the art of medicine is an heritage of humanity and the family doctor is the closest to suffering humanity.
The best thing about being a general practitioner, apart from wanting to help people, is you never know what's coming through the door. Every consultation is a surprise, and that's a wonderful intellectual challenge. That makes me happy. That means I give the patients a good service.
We're asked why we like to be GPs and we want to be GPs. We're GPs because we're at the centre of the healthcare service and we are able to assist on a whole spectrum of areas from the least complex to the highest complex.
Zašto je dobro biti porodični lekar? Because we are the only branch of medicine which hold on with the patient like a person. We cure also their body and their soul.
Por que é bom ser médico de família? Because every day is different and we make a difference in people's lives.
أنا هي حاجة صبيحة لتكون طبيب الفاميليا. It's nice to be a family doctor because you don't just take care of the physical problem of the patient, but you take care of his physical and psychological needs as well.
Miksi on hienoa olla yleislääkäri?
The work is very interesting and there is long patient relationships.
And we love to support the continuity of care.
Varför är det roligt att vara allmänläkare, specialist i allmänmedicin? It's because of the continuity of care, the relationship, and we take care of all the problems during the whole lifetime.
Warum ich gern Allgemeinmediziner bin? Because it's simply the best job in the world.
Hvorfor er det strålende å være en allmennlege? I am able to follow my patients over a large span of years. Follow them through thick and thin and dealing with serious problems, small problems. It's very satisfying. And I do a good job for many persons. That's also satisfying.
Why is it great to be a GP? It offers the opportunity to provide relationship-based continuity of care over a lifetime. It's not a job, it's a vocation.
Pourquoi c'est si fantastique d'être médecin généraliste? All the day we can hear so different stories.
Pourquoi être généraliste? Why to be a generalist? To be a generalist is the best way to do real medicine. Because generalists take care of patients with disease, but not only of the disease. And the approach of generalist is the only one who is holistic. Then please be generalist.
¿Por qué la medicina de familia es fantástica? Because it's the better and proudest job in the world.
I have the best job in the world because it is caring for people for cradle to grave in family situations, in a local community.
De ce sunt medic de familie? Because I love it and my life I cannot imagine without being a family physician.
Zašto je biti super liječnik obiteljske medicine? Zato što mi donosimo osmijehe na lica ljudi.
Why is it great to be a GP? Because when people say, I went to see the doctor, or the doctor told me this, it's the general practitioner, the family doctor that they mean. You are part of their lives, from the moment they are born until they die and afterwards when you comfort their family. You are embedded in the community that you live in. It is a wonderful life.